Well, that's one down, I suppose. And if you look on the bright side, all that really rough welding there, it's going to provide a good key for the filler. Ha ha ha! So, let's see if I can spin this over with one hand. Hold on. Now, spin, spin, spin. Wheel of fortune. Yeah, he's making videos with one hand on a mobile phone. Is brilliant, isn't it? Really. So. For someone that's absolutely rubbish, I suppose that's not too bad. It's not as bad as having to wear plastic shoes and socks. These goddamn flies, they just will not leave my ankles alone. It drives me insane. Anyway, let's get away from the flies for a minute. Ha ha ha! mk1 guy. Thai green curry. I've not had one of those for ages, love. Nom 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 time.